By default, your caller ID is displayed when you make a call. Turning caller ID off will prevent your name from being shown on the other person's phone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Phone. Tap Show My Caller ID. Tap the status switch to toggle caller ID on and off. You can hide your number for a single call by adding number 31 hash before the number. If Show My Caller ID is turned off, you can show your number for a single call by enter *31 hash before the number.